crap. Oh, she ain't like that. What you talking about? Why you jump when it turned on?
Cause that motherfucker was loud.
Oh, to work we go, mama. It's carnage out here. You like that, don't you, though?
No.
You don't like that?
No. I like purity, quiet.
I know in sport mode it sounds a little different. But in track, it's way louder, though. That video went as planned. It's gonna be very short because she did not like that. So yeah, man, I might drop that video today. No, I ain't gonna drop it today. We getting tuned on this weekend, and yeah, man, your boy Tazbegrinding, and I'm out, my boy.